leak. It is. Good thing we got the polycarbonate greenhouse. Let's see how badly shredded we are on our squash. It's about pea-sized hail. That's the squash getting shredded out there. The dog pen over there. It's just bouncing everywhere. Look how foggy it's gotten out here. Like instantly. Woo! That hit the power line right there. Well, there's our 4 flats of vegetables that we're waiting to go in the garden this weekend. There's another one hitting the power line. Looks like it just fogged up big time. Still coming down. Hitting the power line right next to the house here. This is how foggy it is. There's the river, or should I say that's the driveway in the front of the house. Well, there's some big hail now. Some big stuff coming down. This is the kind that takes limbs off. You hear that on the roof?